Today I am going to show you how to replace batteries in smoke detectors. First, you are going to call the monitoring center to put your system into test. Once you've put your system into test, go over to your smoke detector and you are going to turn it a quarter turn counterclockwise to remove it from the base. Once you remove it from the base, observe the way you have the battery installed. Go ahead and remove the battery, install the new battery. Once you have the new battery installed, this one takes a CR123A. Go ahead and put it back on its base and turn it a quarter turn clockwise to get it back locked onto its base. This is also a DSC model. You will also turn it a quarter turn counterclockwise to release it from its base. Remove it from its base. Observe the way your batteries are installed. Go ahead and replace these batteries. These batteries are a AAA alkaline battery. Make sure they're all in there snug. You are gonna take the smoke detector, place it back on its base, observing the notches that are on the base and the smoke detector itself. Turn it a quarter turn clockwise to get it locked back in. This is an Ademco model. You will also turn it a quarter turn counterclockwise to remove it from the base to expose the battery. This one is going to take two CR123A lithium batteries. Go ahead and observe the way they're installed. Replace them with new batteries. Once you have the new batteries installed, go ahead and place it back on its base, turning it a quarter turn clockwise, observing the notches on the side of the smoke detector with the base, aligning them, turning them, and locking it back in. This one is a GE model. Same concept again. You are going to turn it a quarter turn counterclockwise to remove it from its base. This one has a nice arrow on its base to align once we get it back onto its base. But you are going to replace the batteries in this by opening up this battery cover. There's an arrow on here that shows you how to slide it. You're going to slide it that direction. Open it. By pulling those strings, you are going to release the two batteries that are in there. Make sure you're observing the way the batteries are installed. Replace these with two CR123A batteries with the string underneath the batteries. You can go ahead and place this back on there and slide it back over to lock it in. And then you are going to match up the arrows on the base plate and the smoke detector. Turn it a quarter turn clockwise to get it locked back in. This is also a GE smoke detector. This one actually does not have replaceable batteries. It's got a silver metal mesh around the outside of the smoke detector. And if you are needing to change this one, you will need to call into the office for a service call for a technician to come out and replace it.